Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. I am Kristen, and in today's video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. To create this look, I use these two Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. This is the Modern Renaissance, and then this is the Riviera. So if you guys want to see how I got this very Barbie look using these two palettes, then keep watching. First, I am going in with Monte Carlo from the Riviera palette, and I am just going to be putting this in the crease. Monte Carlo is a really pretty, like, salmon-y color, so this is just a nice transition shade. I really liked it as a transition shade for this look. I think it worked perfectly. Next, I'm going in with Monte Carlo and Bahamas, which is that hot pink shade, and I'm just buffing this into the crease. Fair warning if you have not used Bahamas in the Riviera palette yet. If you have the palette, this stains your eyelids, so just be careful. It was easy to remove though, it just stained very lightly. Next, I'm going into Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the end of a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, so like buffing end or the smudger end, and I'm just really placing that shade into the crease to really add that depth. And once I get it to where I like it, I'm going to also add Love Letter to the outer V again to add depth, and I'm just going to blend everything together so it doesn't look, you know, too harsh, and it just flows together nicely because I don't like that like separation look. Next, I'm going in with the shade Palermo from the Riviera palette. It is this gorgeous shimmery pink shade, and I am just putting that on my lid using my finger. Your finger works best with Anastasia shimmers. Next, I'm going into Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance, and I'm using my finger to kind of blend Palermo and Love Letter together just to make sure it looks pretty, and then I'm blending everything out again with a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I love these blending brushes. Next, I'm taking Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just putting this kind of like on the inner third of my eye. I just really love how this looked. I used a lip brush from BH Cosmetics. Next, I'm taking the shade Canes, and I am just putting this along my lower lash line. I'm sorry that it got so bright. I apologize. Next, I'm taking Blonde Fresco, and I'm just kind of blending that on top of Cane just to make sure that it just looks nice and it's not too harsh. So now I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face, and I am back. And for lips today, I used the Matte Orchid lipstick from Milani. I love this shade, and I just think it looks so pretty with this eye look. Yes, it's a lot of pink, but I was just feeling pink when I filmed this day, and I just love how this looks. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've done in a very long time, and this is the completed look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials where I have this Subculture palette as well. So if you guys want to see like the Modern Renaissance palette and the Subculture palette, or the Subculture palette and the Riviera palette, something like that, let me know in the comments down below, and I will gladly do a video like that, because this was a lot of fun to do. Definitely got me creative, and I don't know, I just had a lot of fun. So let me know if that's something you'd like to see, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!